And we're back, guys. Today we'll be talking about a topic called neopronouns, yay or nay. We are gonna we're gonna discuss with what is neopronouns, what are our thoughts, and what is our stance, how we feel about it. Yeah. So guys, do you know what neopronouns are?
Not really.
A bit.
I've heard a bit.
No, I don't know what's a near pronoun.
Okay, so just to fill you in, we're gonna start with the dictionary definition. Neopronouns are neologistic English third-person personal pronouns beyond he, she, and they. Neopronouns are preferred by some non-binary individuals who feel that they provide options to reflect their gender identity more accurately than conventional pronouns. So, guys, marami siya ganun. If na I, he, him, she, her, ug they, them, naa sa ning mga neopronouns which kanang mula pa siya sa kanang na standard na kanang man siya. Ism, ikaw na ngon kaan when you kanang you medyo kuan na ni siya na topic ha marag mo na like moagi ni siya sa kanang LGBT pero it doesn't necessarily have to kuan connect with the kuan community itself but how you identify Jude as a person. Pero yeah, kay kuan mo gani socio-political mo gani siya na group which is our topic sa karon. Kay we will delve into kanang dynamic good ng mga kuan changes in the society. So, man siya niya pronouns, man siya Caesar, kana man you identify as a something but not your kuan your sexual orientation or gender
I
nga
will
na.
I will
Oh,
identify as Gian.
Yeah, you can
Mayo na.
identify as gi yan. Yeah, ako pronouns kay gi yan. Nga na. Kasabot ra gets.
Yeah, gets.
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Okay, I understand.
Now, guys, nakoy ko I actually like I have a pronoun. I just created this pronoun.
Okay.
It's called.
Oh no.
Sige,
Wait.
so let's start with a question. And someone, are we ready?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Fire away.
So what are your thoughts, man, regarding neopronouns?
Um, to me, like I think it's a bit of like a hassle to me because whenever like I meet like new people, then I always need to like ask them, like try to like not be rude, like in case like they might like get offended easily like that.
Yeah. So ako sa those same sa do it's a hassle no, but as long as wala ka gahurt og tao, like it's fine. But do
Yeah.
samok din ang mga tao do nga kuan nga like you meet them, you like mag-meet mo ba, and then what you don't call them by their pronouns, like grabe ka like piss like
Yeah.
that, like damn bro, chill out. Don't like don't push your like beliefs into another person, like bro, chill. Like
Yeah.
Bitaw
always
no,
Like,
like,
masoko dyan kasi
actually,
nga no,
I've one.
like oh my god.
Yeah. Actually, no, I've seen videos online na kanang marag naglagot sila kay wala nila gi-follow ang ilang pronouns pero one
yeah.
thing to consider no na kanang in the first place how would they know unsa imong pronouns kay
Yeah,
usually
exactly.
na anad man gud ta na kanang we identify as our kanang sex jud in general or
Yeah, yeah.
kuan we identify as a they them pero if naamang kay kanang personal pronouns kay it's not discussed at school man good kung unsa ng list of kanang pronouns because it's a wide spectrum yeah.
Exactly.
Other than that,
It's a hassle for people who don't
it's
know.
your personal perspective kanang your pronouns. So you shouldn't be entitled to kanang murag to like order everyone to call you in your pronouns because not
Yeah.
everyone knows who you are.
Yeah.
So
Though even kada mga they them, like ang default ra ba sa kuan sa ato sa mga tao karon kay kuan he or she, may ana ra ba jud ang
Exactly.
default. So
Mm-mm.
dili ra sa mga personal pronouns, even they them, like if di ka matawag og they them, then I said kasuko, like chill man, like chill.
true pero actually no in recent social in recent social tawag na circumstances kay we usually identify as a person as a they them sa like when we meet someone new like they them na siya even though they look like a girl or boy, they them sana siya kay basin ko ana siya pronouns because when you say they them kay murag you identify them as a person but not as their sex. That's why we call them a vesa before we ask if kuan mo identify siya as a he or she. Do you kanang understand or unsa?
Yep.
Sa kani
Yeah.
nga convo no makita niyo like ang polarity namo ni Lyle. Kaya ako pinakon ko pina old school style ko pina old ko nga type din siya kayo like more like new gen jud kayo do. Yeah,
Pero kanang just kuan ba like it's just being cautious of who you kuan kay dili na baya ta pareha like karon like we have kanang distinct identities niya basin mako-offend to. So the least we can do is to identify people as kuan not their sex yet pero as kuan maybe we can kuan hala she ko hala he ko. We just have to respect that so
Yeah.
we don't like it's just kanang murag a simple gesture good that kuan that shows inclusivity towards other people sa na kuan. Kasabot ra mo like kanang dili ka nang ma-assume ba if he him siya pero like yeah.
Yeah, that's why you always need to like ask also.
Di
Like,
kayo
hala,
kabaw
they,
na topic. Di kayo
It's okay.
sabayo kabaw ang topic.
Okay, don't worry, Nile. It's not for everyone to discuss man jud as long as we have our own
Yeah.
input. Pareha good siya sa kuan good. Pareha siya sa Tagalog ug Bisaya na kuan. When you say siya, di ba third person man ang mga pronouns na to when it comes to our kanang Filipino language.
Mm.
Pareha na siya sa kuan they them. Pero when you talk about neopronouns, nanana siya kanang personal na kuan, personal na identification which kanang is not they them na. So it's a different topic na jud from kuan the standard pronouns that we use. Are you good, Kimrag?
While listen ko akong utok ga try og process like unsaon if like ga try og process pag ayo do like murag nag-malfunction kami ako ulo.
It's fine.
It's definitely just a very big spectrum.
Yeah,
Yeah.
going into this podcast no wala lang ako ga research para like wala lang ako ga research ba para like fresh to kayo ba while the minaw ko no like naghilom-hilom lang ako para maka-process ang akong utok.
It's fine.
So basically,
kung machine pa lang ko no murag nanaguri aso nagawa sa akong dunggan karon.
Nag-malfunction na, nag-overheat na. Pero yeah, no, like ila sa lang lifestyle, no, we cannot blame them for kanang identifying as that. Pero we cannot blame us if dili sad kuan, if dili sila kanang marag, if dili takakuan silang pronouns jud kay wala ba yatay prior knowledge kung unsa sad sila na tao. So it's not up to them. Pero if kanang ingna na gani mo kung pronouns nila, it will be best to kanang conform to it jud. If ingnan mo.
Basta ang ako lang dyan, no, you can believe what the hell you're going to believe. Bahala ka na sa imong mga tutuon mo dira basta. Alam mo pangdamay.
Yeah.
Kung di lang ako maapektuhan, sige, sure. Bahala mo dira sa kinabuhi ninyo.
Yeah, same jud. Imagine na ako mindset jud like we all here kanang we exist to live, we exist to survive. Yeah. It's kanang adding to unnecessary arguments are just useless.
Kung just nun pa lang ko no, we're all God's children.
Yeah, we all are. Anyway, so kuan, unsa may stance ninyo guys? We'll start with Gian. What's your stance? Yay or nay?
Yay if kuan. Yay if like di ka makaapekto but once like mag-affect na kag like mga kuan mga other people and more na mag-force mo like beliefs into another people then definitely mag-nay ko.
But shouldn't be kanang the practice to force your pronouns on people. Okay, as we said,
tell that to people on the internet.
Socio-political naman good ni siya na group niya kanang marag. We're still trying to understand it ourselves, so we shouldn't force people to understand it. Okay?
This is one of the reasons ang mga oldies no. Dili sila maka-gets no because some of the youth karon they're forcing it into other people na mura nagma-annoyed ang mga old people. that's why old people can't accept it, because on one side you're forcing it into them. You're forcing
Yeah.
them something nga dila anad since pag kay lahi ra bang ilang kuan lahi bang culture nila
Oh,
like pag
true.
Like,
around
culture
like
during
mga
their
50s or
time ba?
60s.
Mm.
Yeah.
Lahi ra ba ang kuan like ang the way people cheat sa una and karon.
Yeah.
True.
Kay kuan na ba karon
Especially
like the
kung
20th
with
century is like woke.
yeah, it's for the woke people na pero this just goes to show that kanang what I said before na kuan our culture is kanang ever dynamic and mo evolve jud ta from kuan good from our culture pag sa una pa like dating from like mga first century or unsa na hantod karon na kanang murag woke na kayo ta. It just goes to show that kanang nothing is permanent, especially our traditions here. Traditions are meant to be kanang traditions are meant to be appreciated and practiced, but not forced. So is kanang contemporary culture, and we should all respect each other.
Yeah.
Diba? Do we agree
Yes.
or
Yes.
unsa?
Yeah,
Yay.
Yay.
Respect
There's a yay
lang
on
ta
me.
dito guys. Walang dapat awayan dito as long as dili ta manghilabot. Walay pugsanay dili. Walay
Yeah,
kanang
I
don't
would
not
I
give
would
a
just
care.
say yay as long as yeah, like my thoughts, I mean no, my stance is yay as long as like what Ian said, like they don't force it on me.
Kay what I noticed ano kanang especially the things I see online na ani mga kuan mga mogamit og naya pronouns na murag maglagot sila ba kay kanang they think we're kuan it is true na kanang murag oppressed sila like dili sila like kanang dili sila widely accepted because what did they expect murag bagong contemporary man gyud na culture this dili pa siya kuan kay mga oldies ba yan ni pagsauna ang atong mga tao
Yes.
before
I
dili kay
like how mga I
kuan.
like how mauban tao sa internet kay like you mentioned to oppressed dos lang a group na like they're trying to compare themselves to the people who are actually oppressed back in the day. Like it's not an equal code. It's not equal.
Yeah,
It
ni
does not
change ang good
compare.
ang story pero in some ways we can say na kanang oppressed jud sila na group pero like to use that to kanang to use that to be kanang much to enforce to use kanang the oppression story but to kanang marag to force
Like
your
to sell
belief
their story.
or to sell your story kay that's not a good thing ba yeah it kanang only gives them a bad image. Kaya we should, as people na kuan sad and as children of God, not the
Yeah,
respect lang
that's
ta.
why daghang diganahan nila because some of them force it on other people.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Like
madamay na noon ang uban na tao na
like the
kanang murag well,
LGBTQ is one of the most like bullied like communities sa internet. Like you can see like a lot of videos about it. Like mga
yeah,
meme videos, like bro. Like katong usa nga kuan nga ang kuan daw ang bata daw niingon siya gay siya and then his dad just leaves him.
Oh.
Then
oh,
and then after nga moingon iyang bata nga he's straight again, his father comes back with milk.
Oh.
yeah, that's just kuan. Mao jud na ang kanang culture as kanang kuan. Pero although oppressed ang LGBT na group, even karon medyo oppressed pa sad pero we shouldn't kanang they shouldn't sell that story ba kay kuan sad ba ya. It's something that we cannot force. Contemporary ba siya na culture as I said. So
Yeah, just treat people
so,
like people, man. In the end of the
people
day,
deserve to
pareha.
be treated like people. Like
Yeah,
ayan na lang.
ang kulay
Wala
sa
na
tubig.
away-away.
Go beyond the line.
Pero as what kuan ka na makita sa mga IG reels na kuan na marag ila jud force ilang pagkakuan balik pagka different nila. Naamang gud na yung madamay sad na kanang naasad sa community ba na kanang marag nag-mind ra silang business which gives them a kanang a very bad stereotype and a very bad kuan an image. Just to kanang inform everyone here na kanang all members of the kanang community nila kay kuan they're not necessarily all kanang marag forcing their kuan ninyo or to everyone else here pero naalang dyan mo force pero that does not define like the community itself. Are we clear?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yes,
clear,
yes.
clear.
Yeah.
Crystal.
Crystal clear.
Okay, I think we're about we're kind of overtime here na. So yeah, as we navigate our own paths of self-discovery, let's draw inspiration from the diverse narratives and expressions found within Japanese entertainment and the evolving discourse surrounding identity. By embracing openness, empathy, and inclusivity, we can contribute to a world where every individual feels seen, heard, and valued for who we are. Once again, I am Lal Benjamin C. Balotindos.
I am Gian Monton.
I am Nal Vincent Botella.
I am John Cedric Junko.
And I am Melky Joseph C. Simogan.
And we are gonna be ending this podcast. This is Koan. This is Japan. This is Japan and Identity, and we are signing off. Thank you, guys. Good evening.
Yay.
Bye.
Good evening.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.